Hello, ọ ga-adịzikwa mma ọzọ? Hello, ọ ga-adịzikwa mma ọzọ? Igbu mmadụ ejule n'ụwa anyị. Olee mgbe ka ihe arụ ndị a niile ga-akwụsị? I'm saying, will this Nigeria be fine again? See what is happening everywhere. Double standard, different type of things, cheating, killing, indecent dressing, all sort of evil is happening. The government is giving the people tax that will even finish them all. Mr. President of Nigeria, have you heard that Guinness want to leave Nigeria? I believe that if you like you said you don't listen to internet anymore. I want to bring it to you. Let somebody interpret it to you that Guinness wants to leave Nigeria. Why? Because of excessive tax. They cannot meet up again. Mr. President, you brought cybersecurity tax to us. And when you see that the people have revolted, Mr. President, you have to go back and remove that law and enact it afresh and give to people who are doing POS suffering everywhere. If you do 20,000 naira POS, they will remove 80 naira from you, which has not been happening. All these people that have done this in Nigeria will suffer it because they are not buying fuel. All these ministers are not buying fuel. They are eating food that is coming from the house, from our tax. They are being paid excessively from the money we have suffered to get. If anyone open industry here, the first Inland Revenue Services will be pursuing him like a chicken. Have you paid your tax? Have you not paid your tax? We buy cars and our cars keep damaging on the bad roads that you people have failed to construct. Our children are dying. And our mothers are dying. Mother and child mortality is very high. Everywhere is death. No good hospital. But if you get ordinary headache, you fly to London. You fly to UK. You fly to America. Mr. President, I want to bring this to your notice. That whatsoever that any man soweth, that he shall reap. Many companies have closed down in Nigeria. Many companies have closed down in Nigeria. The Guinness is a big company. That is why you hear it. Many small companies that are besieged, that have been held captive with a lot of taxes from the local government to the state government and the federal, have closed down. Many drivers have sold their vehicle because of all these people that you people set on the road for different types of papers. They say papers. They are tax force. Many have stopped driving because of the policemen and the army men you mounted on the road that is collecting almost all the money they have made. Mr. President, are you not seeing these things? Are you not aware? If you are not aware, know it. Carry our police and the army and send it back to the barracks. They are not doing anything to cushion the effect of insecurity on the road. Carry all of them and send them to the northwest. Send them to that place Boko Haram is disturbing. I saw today in the news at Ikeja, people gathered and be saying hunger is everywhere. I saw the amount of policemen that came because of this revolt, that there is hunger, there is insecurity. I saw the number of army people. Everywhere is army, everywhere is police. But I think you people are playing games with Nigerians. with Boko Haram. You people are behind what is happening. If you people are not behind what is happening, why should myriads of security men, army, police, circle just people that are doing peaceful protest with their placards? Circle them. But you cannot circle these criminals that are there. Boko Haram, you cannot circle them with these people. If you circle them with this manner, I believe there will be nothing like Boko Haram. Carry all of these people, all of these police, all of the army, equip them very well, carry them and go and give them Sambisa forest so that these people will be removed. You people are playing kalo with Nigerians' life. I see it. You people are behind what is happening to us. If it is not, when Biafrans are doing their protest, you will gather the whole army that is in the whole world and give them and start shooting them. But Boko Haram has been ravaging the northeast for a long time. You cannot gather these people to go and remove Boko Haram. You people are playing games we don't understand in Nigeria. You people are playing games. Watch me very well. You people are playing games. And these games will be made known very soon. You people want us to finish. We will not finish in Jesus' name. God will continue to sustain us and will be giving you people this big man's sickness. You people will be big man and be in the sickness of big man. Since you people want to finish us in Nigeria, it will not happen. This is a channel that you must be following. If you don't want to subscribe to this channel, that means you are among the people that is supporting this evil in Nigeria. If you are not among them, subscribe to this channel. Share it across to people. Make people know it. This is Wonderful Love, where we share love, where we disseminate love to everyone. God bless you.